Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno 5 and the ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today we are going to make the speed test. We are going to check which smartphone is faster. So let's start. At the first we will boot smartphones. So let's turn them off. Okay, at the first we are going to start with booting up, so let's turn them on. What do you think, guys? Which one will be turned on first? I'm betting on my Zenfone 7 Pro. Yeah, Zenfone is first. Okay, here we got 15 apps that we are going to open. We got some social apps, some basic like calculator, camera, settings, and of course the games. So at the first I'm going to show you that I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network on the both smartphones. Right here. On the both smartphones I'm enable location, the dark mode is also on the both, and NFC I can block here. Next, when you go for the specs, it's also important. Here we can find that they are working on the Android 11 version, as you can see, and there we got the specs. So there's the 8 GB of the RAMs on the both smartphones. And yeah, we can start with our test. So close the settings and other apps, and let's start from the settings. You have to tell me in the video, in the comments, which was faster, so you have to count that. Right now it was Zenfone, definitely. I don't know. YouTube Music on the Zenfone, Google Chrome, yeah, Zenfone another time, Instagram. I think that is the draw. Let's open YouTube. I think it was the same speed. The Gmail. First on the Zenfone. Google Maps. The Zenfone was first. Let's open Google Translate. First on the Zenfone. TikTok. Yeah, faster on the Zenfone. Go for the Netflix. And there's the first Zenfone. Let's open game. Call of Duty will be first. Okay, faster on the Zenfone another time. Let's go for the wide drift. And here is faster Zenfone 7 Pro, but we can try to log into the game. And another time Zenfone faster. And the last game, the Brawl Stars. And it's another time faster on the Zenfone. So we can try to open it another time. Let's see how ROM management goes here. There was the OPPO. I think Zenfone. Zenfone in our time. Zenfone. Let's go for the Google Chrome, and here another time Zenfone. Instagram, I think OPPO. YouTube, definitely Zenfone. Gmail, the same speed. Google Maps, on the Zenfone. Google Translate, another time on the Zenfone. TikTok,
Hello everyone.
faster on Zenfone. Netflix, another time wins. Call of Duty, and Zenfone win again. Then Wild Rift, another time Zenfone, and the last game Brawl Stars. So definitely Zenfone rocks, and it outperformed the Reno 5, but you have to remember that they are working on a different chipset. Here we can find the Snapdragon 865 Plus, and here is the Snapdragon 765. So there's the big difference between them. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.